I'm just going to finish my second part of my video of unboxing. So this is high volt, and you see it's very good, and it's for 6-year-olds, but now I'm 7, so we're going to unbox him. I'll show you. So we got high volt, his shield, he can look through the top, and you see his cog, and he's standing on the motor again. His armour is like heavy, very heavy. He's got this symbol of gold, and I wonder how he's going to be like. He's got this knee pads that have these stuff in the middle, spike, and look at him. He's got this spike here, and it's like made out of metal. He's got these safety goggles in case if anybody tries to hurt him on his goggles. And these are my unboxes, so I'm so excited to play Smash It, and I'm so excited to play high volt. So that's the end of my unboxing, so bye.